So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake Victoria VR tokens on Gate.io and earn 100% APY, and also how you can stake PSY options on Gate.io and earn 100% APY. Okay, so that's all in this video I am covering about, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so first of all you have to create account on Gate.io exchange. I have given the link in the description. Okay, so when you click on this link you will see this interface. So just enter your email, enter this wrong password, and just click on here, tick, and just click on here. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link. If you create account through my link you will get extra trading fee 10% off and extra 5000 USDT test net. Okay, so after creating account, just go to Gate.io application, download it from Play Store and open it. Here you can see all the amazing features of Gate.io exchange. Okay, so here you just have to click on more option. Okay, so just have to click on more, and here you can see all the features of Gate.io exchange, and here just click on hold and earn option. So I just click on hold and earn option, and you can see all the tokens that you can stake and earn 100% APY on all the tokens passive income. Okay, so here are three options. First one is active, second one is upcoming, third one is finished. So you can actually see all the finished projects, you can see all the upcoming projects. Okay, you can see all the active projects. So you can see that right now the active project is Victoria VR. Here you can see Victoria VR token, Victoria lockup, and earn 14 days. Okay, you will get 100% APY. Okay, so I just click on here. Okay, so if you have Victoria VR tokens, so it is the best opportunity that you can stake your tokens on Gate.io. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so just enter your quantity, enter the Victoria VR tokens you want to stake. So if I stake 10,000 tokens. Okay, so just click on after you have Victoria VR tokens in your account, just click on subscribe and your tokens will be staked. Okay, you can see that lockup term is 14 days. Okay, so your token will be locked up for 14 days. So the remaining VR tokens are these. Okay, so this staking will end in 1 week. Okay, so this staking will end in 1 week and 6 days, and here you can see all the details, total VR tokens, purchase amount, minimum and maximum. Okay, so this staking will end on 25 February. Okay, so you will get your bonus when the lockup period ends. So if you don't have Victoria VR tokens, you can actually buy. Okay, so you can see this buy coin now. Just click on buy coin now and you can actually buy VR tokens on Gate.io. Okay, here you can see all the details. So now let's talk about how you can stake PSY options, PSY token on Gate.io. So here in the active section, just scroll down and you will see PSY options. Here you can see PSY options, PSY token lockup and earn, and here you can also earn 100% APY for 14 days. Okay, so if you want to stake your token, just click on here and you can earn 100% APY on PSY options. Okay, so here also the process is same. Just enter your token, enter the tokens that you want to stake and click on subscribe. Okay, so when you click on subscribe, your token will be staked and locked up for 14 days. So this staking will also end in 1 week and 5 days. So here you can see there are now 55 participants are participating in this staking option. Okay, so if you want to stake, this is the best opportunity that you can stake and earn passive income on your PSY tokens. Okay, so if you don't have tokens on, you can actually buy a PSY token. Just click on buy a coin now and you will redirect to this trading option. Here you can buy any amount of tokens that you want to buy. Okay, so that's all in this video, that how you can stake your PSY option, PSY tokens and Victoria VR tokens on Gateio exchange. So make sure to create account through my link. I have given the link in the description. You will get extra trading fee 10% off and extra 5000 USDT test. So if you have any question, comment below, I will answer you. Okay, so thank you.